Capt Cook, remember him? Australia's second most famous bloke person. Well, I guess I know Capt Cook, right? In the year 1700 and whatever, when Capt Cook invented Australia, right? He decided to take his whole crew on holiday. Fair enough, well deserved, I suppose, right? So he took his whole crew and he went to the Hawaiian Islands. Okay? When he got there, he changed the name to the Sandwich Islands after the 4th Earl of Sandwich, who was Captain Cook's biggest sponsor, right? So he changed their name. So the local Hawaiian people, they got wind of this and they're going, fuck, that's not going to happen. So they decided to confront Captain Cook, right? So they went down to the beach, go, yo, Captain Cook, listen, mate, first thing, you can't park here. Right? And second thing, change the name back. Sandwich is a stupid name, change it back. And Captain Cook goes, no, make me. So they clubbed him to death, right? And that's where the club sandwich comes from. And to make sure it doesn't do it again, you know what they did? You know what they did? They took his sword and they stabbed him right in the guts, right? And that's why every time you get a club sandwich, there's a little sword in there, hey? Oh man, you people are too poor to know what a fucking club sandwich is. Right, one more. What's Captain Cook and Scott Morrison have in common? Yeah, should have gone to Hawaii, really. Thank you very much, my name's Huntley. You guys have been great.